Our team CEO.
很有朝气的感觉，这样子。有想法。
Team Sales.
快睡着了。
年轻不受控。年轻不受控。
Team International Trades.
怎样侦查哪个上马？我跟你说，有一个成员。
Team R and DMD. Team Administration. HG Biomedical Company, established in 2019, is dedicated to the research, design, development, and sales of fully vertically integrated biotechnology materials. We have over 150 global partners, including
Carry,
leading brands in sustainable nutrition,
Friesland Campina,
global dairy giants,
Sabenza,
top brands in natural plant extracts,
Müller,
Germany's premium whey,
ADM,
pioneers in probiotics,
DSM Firmenich,
pioneers combining nutrition and technology. HG offers the most competitive ingredients, providing customers with high-quality, unique products tailored to their needs. Our experienced nutritionists and food technologists design customized formulas for humans and pets. We also offer a selection of global OEM factories. Our OEM services encompass planning customer needs, product development and testing, production of finished products, and after-sales services, with various dosage forms available. By choosing HG, you will receive carefully selected agents for over 350 globally renowned brand ingredients, partnered satellite factories certified with ISO 9001, ISO 22000, GMP, HACCP, etc. Support from original manufacturer research data and comprehensive marketing materials. HG has successfully developed numerous well-known health products in Taiwan, including brands founded by Chain Gym founders, soy protein products sold in well-known channels. We have collaborated with over 30 renowned pharmaceutical companies, over 50 large Taiwanese enterprises, and over 200 well-known brands. HG, crafting your exclusive brand.